Assalamualaikum and greeting to Dr. Zaidatul Haslinda. Today we will present about our project, which is the title is Eco Campus Vehicle. Our group consists of 5 people, which is Siti Aisyah binti Kamaruddin, Nur Shazwani binti Rosli, Nur Asila binti Mamat, Nur Akila binti Dini Azmi, and Shukriya Adina binti. So for introduction, system we choose is Eco Campus Vehicle Rental System. As for problem statement, we gain the problem statement from the old system, Eco Campus Booking, which is using paper to gain information. This kind of method hard to keep track, make it hard to keep track of the rental information, and also hard to book a vehicle.
Preliminary survey. So we are using two methods for this survey, which is questionnaire and interview. For the questionnaire, we have 63 respondents and we are using Google Form. And we provide the set of questions with a variation choice of answer, which is open-ended question and closed-ended question. In this questionnaire, we have 3 sections, which is section A, personal information, section B, evaluation procedure, and section C, suggestion, design, and functionality. For the interview, we have 2 participants, which is Pangeran Azhan Fikri bin Awang Kutinggal and Aldrin anak lelaki Peter. We are using 2 platforms for this interview, which is Google Meet and via face-to-face. In this interview, we provide 20 questions with design functionality and features for application and there website. There are 3 types of evaluation that we use for this project, which is think aloud with persona, card sorting, and heuristic evaluation.
Persona. Think aloud with persona evaluation are having 5 experts, which are 2 experts from University Technology Mara UiTM, 1 expert from University Pendidikan Sultan Idris UPSI, 1 expert from University Malaysia Sabah, and the last one from University Technical Malaysia Melaka UTM. Think aloud with persona procedure is this session use audio recording via Google Meet. It will start. Me as evaluator will explain the concept of think aloud with persona to expert, and then we will let the expert explore the prototype, and we will observe them, observe their expression or the task that they feel hard to do it, and then after the exploration, the expert will point out their opinion about what they like and what they don't like about the prototype. So as the result, 25 problems were identified in the web prototype and 35 problems were identified in mobile application prototype. These problems include usability problem and also design problem.
Next, we will move on with the second type of evaluation, which is we use card sorting. The procedure starts with introducing the participants to the task and explaining the purpose of the card sort. As the evaluation is conducted remotely, the interviewer wants to provide a link to the digital card sort software, which is OptimalSort. After that, the interviewer will give them the instruction of card sorting. The participants will then group the cards into categories. This method used is a hybrid combining open and closed approach. The participants can sort the card into the predefined categories or create new ones. At the same time, the interviewer will encourage and assist the participants during the process. The data are then recorded into the OptimalSort result, which will show the categories of cards and the time taken for the participants to sort the cards. After the session, the interviewer will ask a few questions regarding the participants' thought about a certain cards placed in the categories, any difficulties in the process, and suggestions for improvement. For card sorting, we recruit 3 participants with the same biography, which is a student, and they have a high knowledge of the use of IT and the internet. All these participants regularly use similar system for vehicle rental, which are BIM. and e-hailing apps like Grab. Next, we will go with the findings. What we found? Well, we used the standardized grid analysis to analyze the outcome of card sorting. A standardization grid is used to find the similarity of the feature groups together and the agreement between participants about any of the placements of the card in the category. Each table cells here shows the number of times a card was sorted into the corresponding standardized category. The darker the cell, the more participants agreed with their grouping. Based on standardized grid analysis, we found that there are three main types of feature that mainly used in the system. The feature with the most highest score are profile, payment, and booking. This feature might be familiar to them as our system is similar to other vehicle rental services. For example, the profile category has a feature to create an account, log in and log out in order for the user to have access. For the booking, rental, and payment feature is mainly used for the vehicle rental services and the user understands most of this feature very well. The card that get the lowest marks, such as the emergency contact and the eco vehicle social media contact card, might be confusing, as some of these participants thought it is easier to do promotion by using social media to boost these services. For emergency calls, some participants also agreed that it could be in their profile, as most of users will click the profile page for any help and information.
Heuristic evaluation. So for this evaluation, we have 5 or 5 experts that in charge, which is 2 from UMS, 1 from IBDAS, 1 from UPSI, and 1 from Polytechnic Terengganu. So for the procedure, we are using Google Meet platform and we guide the expert through the prototype. The expert will individually rate our prototype using a 5-point scale. So as a result, the expert identify 25 usability problems in the mobile application prototype and add usability problem in the website prototype.
This is first hi-fi for application for login page. This is first hi-fi for forgot password page. This is for forgot password page, verification page, and then assigning new password page. Sign up page.
This is first hi-fi for application homepage, profile page, vehicles page, and maps page. Next is the card page, payment page, and upload proof of payment
Then
page.
this is feedback page, promotion page, and then the last one is logout page. And this is first hi-fi for login page for website, sign up page for website, forgot password for website.
This is the first hi-fi for website homepage. Before login, after login, and the pop-up button. This is the profile page with the edit profile and edit picture functions, vehicles details page, and maps page. The card page, payment page, upload proof of payment page.
Next is feedback page for website, promotion page for website, and then the last one is logout page for website.
The only design that satisfied user is the color selection, which is light green and turquoise. Redesign application.
Okay, this is our redesign for our hi-fi for mobile apps. For the login page, we just change the sign up button here. We change the color and put the underline here, and then we make the font bigger to make sure that the user can see it clearly. And then as if we press on the sign up button, from here we can see the difference. At first the font is smaller than the redesigned one, and then we add on address, IC, and occupation in the sign up form, and we change the color for sign in word to make sure that people know, that the user know that it is a button that we can press on. Okay, next is forgot password. For forgot password, we just enlarge the font to make it more clear, and then same goes to the verification. We just enlarge the font and then we change the color resend to make it more clear for the user, to make sure user know that resend is one of the button. Then when we send and when we assign new password, here there's a pop-up, new password has been assigned.
This is before and after refined hi-fi wireframe for application. Before, there is EcoCampus logo, slide, and it can be scrolled. While after, change language button is added, customer feedback, and about us section also added. For the pop-up button, profile logout, as you can see, this is too small, so we change it to sidebar to make it bigger, and we add emergency call option here. And then to close it, we just need to slide. And then, as you can see, the vehicle's icon here is not suitable, so we also change the icon. For profile page, before, edit profile, done, edit picture, write feedback. After, we make the font size bigger. And we also add the emergency call as requested, vehicle page. This is before and this is after. After, we change the small boxes to list and change the picture background to white to enhance its visual. And then if user want to see more option, the user can scroll down. For the vehicle detail page, this is before and this is after. Before, the font size is small and the picture is bigger, and the safety equipment is not labeled, while after, the picture is smaller, the font size is bigger, and the safety equipment is labeled. And when we add to list, before, we will be redirect to the booking list, and after add to list, there is add to list successfully. And then if the vehicles is not available, there is no function that function here before, while after, if the vehicles are available, this notification will come out. As for the cut page, before, the cut page list is really small and it hard for user to read it, while after cut page, it more bigger and it easier to click. And the select voucher pop-up will show. Before, if user want to check out, they will click this checkout button and then they will redirect to the payment method page. And after, if they check out, the pop-up payment method will be show up. And then before, cash, display at counter at the same page, while after, click cash and then display at counter, and then when we click done, we will be redirected to the summary page. And there is the download button here too to download the receipt. If you want to use online banking, before, they need to choose bank and then they need to upload proof of payment. And finally, if the proof is uploaded, there will be a notification. After, they will choose bank, the different pop-up will show. Upload file, there is a done, cancel button, done, file successfully, upload, done, and then summary. Same as online banking for e-wallet, when we choose it before, choose e-wallet, upload file, done, notification. After, e-wallet, choose e-wallet. Last but not least, QR code before, and after, check out QR. Next, for the maps, before, the button can be used, while after, we can use button.
Okay, for feedback, we enlarge the star here to make it more clear for the user, and then we add write feedback to make it easy for user to write the feedback, not just only from the profile. Okay, for promotion page, we change the condition for the promotion. We highlight in a red color, and then if we press on the button, there will pop up voucher successfully claimed. And then if we X, the voucher that we have claimed is gone already.
Redesign website.
Okay, for redesign part for website and login page, we just change the forgot password words into blue color to make sure that user knows that it is a button that you can press and then brings you to the forgot password page. For redesign website version for sign up, we just add on address, IC, and occupation. And then the background we change into just like empty green, light green color. For redesign website for forgot password page, there's nothing much different. We just add on one pop-up message. When you assign a new password, there will be a pop-up message saying that new password has been assigned.
Okay, next is before and after refining hi-fi wireframe. Left is before, right is after. Okay, as you can see, there is the change language button here. After, we enlarge the change language button to make it clear for the user. And then we add the Tentang Kami section. The section is about our website. For this slide, instead of 3 circle here, we change it to this arrow, which can, if we click it, it will change to the next slide. This is pop-up button. After, we enlarge it and make it easier to click. For the profile page, we enlarge all the font size, as you can see here, and then for edit profile, we also enlarge it. And then when we click done, there's nothing here, but here, when you click done, there is a notification that says profile has been updated. And then for the edit picture, it's here we can see the pop-up is pop up everywhere, but here it will pop up in the middle. Next is the vehicle page. You can access it here, or we can click the see more. As you can see, the difference between before and after, we change the background color of the picture to white to enhance the picture visual. For the vehicle detail page, as you can see, before there is no label for safety equipment, but after there is label to guide user. And then when we click add to list, it will direct it to booking list before. But after, when we click add to list, there is a successfully add to list notification. And then when the vehicle is not available, after when we click it, this pop-up notification will show. And when we click yes, there's nothing happen. And after, when the vehicle is not available, we add to list, and the same pop-up will show. And then when we click yes, there is a notification that say reminder set on Google Calendar successfully. Next is the cut page. Before, the visual is like this. The edit time and edit text seems small. The select voucher also small. While after, we make the box fix to the screen, and the order summary also fix to the screen to make it bigger. And then to select voucher, we make pop-up claim voucher option here. And then when we click checkout, there is payment page. While after we click checkout, the payment method only pop up. And then we click the payment before, like this. And then when after we click cash payment, please pay at the counter. And then there is addition done button added. When we click it, we will be redirect to the summary that indicate the order has been paid, and then we can download it as received when we click this. And then there is the download finish notification, while before there is nothing to show that the order has been paid. For different payment method, before online banking, we click this and then this. We need to upload proof of payment, done, this notification. It seems not arranged, while after online banking, the pop-up will swap in the middle, maybe upload file, and then we can choose whether to cancel or choose proceed to choose. And then click done, file upload success, and then summary. For e-wallet, also need to upload, and then after, it more range. And last payment method, QR. As you can see here, the upload proof of payment and QR is in the same page. While here, it more range. Done if we done. Next, for the next page, we can access it here. Before this button, zoom in, zoom out button, and satellite view cannot be used. While here, we can use it.
In redesign website version in feedback page, we change the color of the backgrounds of the customer feedback into light green, and then we add on a plus sign to make it easier for the user to write feedback from the same page. Redesign website version for promotion page, we change the pop-up message from the middle up. We change it into the center of our web page, and then after user claim the voucher will turn into gray. That means that the voucher is not available anymore.
Okay, so I will end our presentation with one pickup line, which is, are you a rental system?
Because I'd like to reserve a spot in your heart and embark on an adventure of a lifetime together.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you so much.